How to allow or don't allow permission to install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here, tap on apps. Then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on special access. Now scroll down and then tap on install unknown apps. From the list of apps, tap on the toggle button to allow the apps to install unknown apps or to deny the permission to install unknown apps. So here, for example, My Files, I can turn on to grant the permission for this particular My Files app to install unknown apps. Otherwise, I can switch it off to deny the permission. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.